Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to use the architectural model cleaner. So this tool basically deletes unwanted objects, families that are inside of an architect model. So to use it, all you need to do is first open the architect model and then navigate to www setup and then in purge ribbon click AMC. So once you click that and it loads, this form pops up giving you these categories of elements inside of the project that you can delete. Now there's some predetermined filters, so a lot of them will be already checked when you load it, but if you want to check other unchecked ones, you can do that too. And once you have all of the categories checked that you want, just hit purge, and this is going to take a minute or two, so I'm just going to fast forward. So we're back again, and this happens sometimes. Sometimes you'll run into warnings. You can just click OK and just proceed with the program. It doesn't really matter. So as I said before, it took about around 2 minutes or a minute to finish it, and at the end it'll ask you if you want to purge the remaining families that aren't used, and you hit OK, and a lot of the families that were here before are gone, and all of the views are gone. There's just one now. It'll delete all those for you, and when you're done you could just save it. I'm gonna save it just to show you. So this is the old LinkedIn architectural model test file that I was using. It's 50.2 megabytes. I'm just gonna make another one called test. And as you're gonna see, the file size of the cleaned model is less. It's 32 megabytes. And that's how you use the tool. Thank you.